Welcome to this training video on Workboard. Today, we'll familiarize you with Workboard and how to efficiently manage your action items. Workboard is your one-stop solution for tracking and organizing tasks to keep your work on track. Let's learn how to add an action item to Workboard. Click on the Add button. In the Add New Card modal, select the appropriate retrospective and assign a card owner. Enter the other card details and click the Save button. The card gets added on the Workboard. The assigned user will receive a notification in the Notifications panel, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. If you prefer to track your action items in the form of a listing, simply click on the List View icon. Here, you can see all the action items listed, along with the details you entered during card creation. To switch back to the board view, click the board view icon. In the board view, you can move your cards between columns, to do, doing, and done, to track the progress of every action item. To move a card, simply drag it from one column to the desired column. Now, let's explore some operations you can perform on the cards. First, there's the Archive Card option. When a card reaches its final lane on the board, you can archive to indicate that the work has been delivered. To permanently delete a card, select the Delete Card option. Note, you cannot delete blocked cards. You must first unblock them and then delete. If you encounter a bottleneck, you can block a card. Enter the blocking reason in comments. Then the card will be displayed with a blocked sign. To unblock a blocked card, provide the mandatory comment. When you have many cards on your Workboard, it can be challenging to focus on what's most important. To view specific cards on the Workboard, click on the Filter option. The Filter window allows you to view only selected cards based on the filter criterion that are retrospective, team members, created by, and due date. Let's say you want to focus on tasks assigned to specific team members. Click on the team members attribute on the left pane of the filter window. Hope you got a basic understanding of the Workboard. See you soon in our next video. Thank you.